everyone, welcome to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to fix WhatsApp notification sound problem. To get started, first open your WhatsApp application on your device. If you haven't yet installed and downloaded it, make sure you have installed and downloaded it from any app store or play store. Then you need to tap on three dotted line on the upper right corner. So on this drop down box, tap on settings. When you reach on settings page, you need to scroll down and find out notifications button. Tap on it and make sure you have toggle on all the notifications of the WhatsApp. On this page, if the notifications have been toggled off in this way, then you need to toggle on by tapping on the particular notification. Under the messages, you can see the notification tone. You simply need to tap on it. You can simply choose any one of the notification tone so that you can get the notification from the WhatsApp and hear the sound of that notification. Suppose let me choose this option and the notification tone has been set to the default. So you can come back again and in this similar way you can toggle on all the notification and change the notification tone as well. On this page, after you have customized the options on this page, you can come back again to the setting page, and after you have done fixing the settings on the WhatsApp itself, you need to go to the device setting, then scroll down and tap on apps. Now tap on app management. Wait until all the apps are loaded here and you can scroll down and find out WhatsApp. If you don't find it this way, then you can scroll down and tap on the search bar. You need to type in WhatsApp, search for WhatsApp, and once you get in the app info page, you need to tap on manage notification option and make sure to allow the notification of WhatsApp. So come back again to the app info page and now tap on the permissions option. Make sure you have allowed all the WhatsApp app permission. Now you need to tap on storage uses and clear all the cache of WhatsApp. After you have done all the settings, you can easily fix the WhatsApp notification sound problem. If the problem has not been yet resolved, then once you need to update your WhatsApp application from any Play Store or the App Store that is available on your device, and your problem will be definitely solved. Hope so you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.